Racing. As they settled, we have Yappy Yo-Yo. Very quickly restore. Moving upon the outside to take the lead is Pearl back. Then followed over by Virgin Island. Down on the inside, maximum exposure. Carmelita, King's Treasure, Mr. Diego, Lord Brian, Sweet na Sweet, Tiger Epic. While Fanciful is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Pearl back. The early leader by about 3 lengths. Yappy Yo-Yo in second. Virgin Island is down in third. Then followed over by Carmelita, King's Treasure, running alongside Mr. Diego. Moving upon the outside, Lord Brian. Down on the inside, maximum exposure. Sweet na Sweet, Tiger Epic, while Fanciful is still in behind them. Last 600 meters of the race, we have Pearl back, enjoying a 6-length lead. And in second comes Virgin Island. Moving upon the outside now is Carmelita. Yappy Yo-Yo shovel back in fourth. Then moving up now is Lord Brian together with entry number 5, and this one is King's Treasure. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Pearl back, this time now increasing its marker to about 8 lengths. Carmelita in second. Lord Brian is on the outside. Virgin Island with about 100 meters of the race. We have Pearl back now saying goodbye, and finally Pearl back. Second, Lord Brian, Carmelita, Virgin Island, King's Treasure, Fanciful, Tiger Epic for your Silver 6. Then comes Mr. Diego, Sweet na Sweet.
Yes, there's the unofficial winner, who was the outstanding favorite, showing fine performance with quarter clockings of 18.